we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing 2 unboxings in one video because they came from the same person. This one's nothing special. It's actually just an iPhone 5 box. I bought for one of my iPhone 5s I have. So I went ahead and just picked it up. It was like $5. So he went ahead and shipped it separately from the other ones. So figured I was going to just open them up together in one video. Ooh. Don't want to give out his address or anything. So yep, just an empty iPhone 5 box. Nothing in it, but figured I'm going to order it just so I have one, because I do have a white iPhone 5 on iOS 6, so I at least wanted some kind of a box. It looks like the stickers or something was removed. I do have a black one over here that I got from him as well earlier. Yeah, the stickers been removed, but at least they cleaned them up. So now I got a black and white one. So let's go move on to the next one. This one contains 3 phones, if I remember right. I had these phones actually sitting here for a couple days, but I've been busy. I ended up getting a different car. I traded off the Envoy and got something else, so I'll make a video on that. Nothing special. I ended up getting a 05 Ford Freestyle wagon looking thing, but I figured why not. Didn't really matter to me. So in this one, we just have one phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S4, which I think he was supposed to send me a couple other phones. So I will have to send him a message. Let me pull up the eBay listing and see what was supposed to come in that package. Gotta connect to Wi-Fi. Alrighty, and it looks like there was supposed to be the Galaxy S4, which we got. It was $10. And then there was supposed to be an HTC HTC One for $10, and then there was supposed to be the LG UN280, which I have one that I got from Retrocoms, but it needs a new board because it's locked. So I will send him a message and ask about those 2 phones and see where they're at. And then I have another eBay lot coming in tomorrow that I'll open up as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.